Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Kaizinc, and we are responding to a comment on TikTok about how to create actions to add a cut contour to a graphic in Illustrator. So first we've got some test elements on here. We've got some live text as well as a shape, and we went ahead and we already created our spot color for cut contour. And so what we are going to do now is first open up the actions window. If you don't already have it open, you could find it under the window drop down, actions. And at this point here, just close this down. We're going to hit create new action. You can name it whatever you like. So we'll call this test. And then if you wanted to put it into a folder, an actions folder, you can do that here. Function key, this is going to be the F key on your keyboard that you assign it to. You could also have Shift or Control in the F key. So we'll just use F4 for this one. We're going to hit record. And you can see now we have this stop icon. So now it's recording all the keystrokes that we're inputting into Illustrator. So first we're going to do a select all. And then we're going to right click. We aren't going to right click. We're going to go to type and go to create outlines. This is going to outline any text that you have going. And next we are going to do a Control A again to select all, Control C to copy, Control Shift V to paste in place. You can see it's keeping track of everything that we're doing right here. Next we're going to click on fill and we're going to clear that out. And then we're going to click on stroke and assign your cut contour spot color. And now we should be good, so we could go ahead and stop this action. And we will put in some live text as well as a shape just to see if this worked. Now we're going to hit F4, which is the function key that we assigned it to. And that is how you create a action for cut contours. Thanks for watching.